Hello there, friends. Yes, I know. Haircut, it was much needed. But that's not why I'm coming to you today. I'm coming to you today because I have an event that I am super excited about and I want to share with you. Because the weekend of July 11th, I am coming at you with the first ever DrexFest. Yes, I know, a little on the nose, but stick with me here. It'll make sense why. Now, I've had people asking me for years now about when I might get around to hosting my own large-scale flow events. I've got my videos, I tour around doing workshops and everything, and I've certainly helped organize festivals for other people. So when is it going to be my turn? As with many things, I am prone to thinking and overthinking it. But this year, there is something different in the mix. I'm turning 40. That's right, 4 decades on this planet. And unfortunately, thanks to that whole pandemic thing and the social distancing rules that are still in place where I happen to live, the ability to get together and celebrate that with a whole bunch of close friends is probably not going to happen. So instead, I want to celebrate it with all of you. So I've spent the past few weeks reaching out to flow artists and musicians that I really respect and whom I would want to spend my birthday with anyway. And miraculously, through the power of live streaming and everything, I can bring all of these people together and share it with the entire world. These are seriously artists that have inspired me every single day, and I can't believe that they're willing to go on this journey with me. So here's how you can plug into this. Head on over to drexfactor.com/DrexFest2020. Here you can get tickets and information about the event, and you can sign up for information updates. Over the next few weeks, I'm going to be announcing the lineup and all of the artists that are going to be involved in making this event a success. And there's a very special way that you can plug into that. See, there's something very, very special that people who buy tickets or sign up for updates get that nobody else does. I really want to share why I'm so excited to be working with all of these artists. So I'm going to be doing exclusive video interviews with them that are only going to be available to people that have signed up for information about the event. The day before I announce an artist to the wider world, you're going to have access to my interview with them. Now, there's no doubt that 2020 has been a pretty difficult and pretty weird year for everybody, but this is the first thing that I've had in it that I'm really looking forward to, and I hope you are too. So once again, head on over to drexfactor.com/DrexFest2020 for more information, to buy tickets, and to sign up for updates. If you're not ready to buy a ticket just yet, you can just give me your email address and you still get all those great interviews. So mark your calendars, July 11th. I can't wait to share this experience, these artists, and my 40th birthday with all of you out there. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Peace.